Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, I will teach you about how to use parentheses in Excel. How to use parentheses in Excel. So we'll discuss parentheses. So what is parentheses? What is parentheses? So the symbol, the symbol is considered as parentheses. The symbol which is considered as parentheses. This is considered as parentheses. So, for example, if you do 2 plus 6 into 4, 2 plus 6 into 4. So what would be the answer? According to the Bodmer's rule. So according to the Bodmer's rule, it will multiply this 6 into 4. And after that, the 2 will be added to the 24, right? 2 will be added to the 24. So you can see the 24, right? So equal to 2 into 3 or 3 plus 4. So what would be the answer? 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. So 10 will be the answer. 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 But, so if you use parenthesis, 2 plus 4 into 3. So what would be the answer? 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 2, 14, right? 14 will be the answer according to the Bodmer's because multiplication will be having the highest priority. But if you use parenthesis here, then what will be the answer? 2 plus 4, 6. 6 into 3, 18. 18 will be the answer. 18 will be the answer. See, we got 18, right? We got 18. So this is how we can use the parenthesis in Excel. Parenthesis in Excel. For example, if you do like this, 2 into 5 plus 6 plus 7, 6 into 7 minus 8. So if you do like this, what would be the answer? So based upon the bottomless calculation, we will get the answer, right? We will get the answer as 48. We will get our answer as 48. But if you use parenthesis, based upon that, it will do the calculation. It will do the calculation. For example, 8 into 9, and I'll do parenthesis here, and here I will do plus, and I will use another parenthesis. 6 plus 8 plus 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. So what would be the answer? So first of all, it will check the brackets. It will check the parentheses. So which is having parentheses. So all the 3 has parentheses. So now it will go to the second priority. Who is having the highest priority? So in this addition, multiplication, subtraction. So what is the highest priority? Multiplication is the highest priority. Multiplication is the highest priority. Then it will come here and it will add 9 8 is 72. And 72 plus 8 plus 6 is 14 and 3. So 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 72. 17 plus 72. We'll get the required answer as 99. We'll get the required answer as 89. 89. So this is how we can use the parenthesis in Excel. Parenthesis in Excel. And we will do another thing also. 6. We will use double parenthesis here. Double parenthesis. And 6 plus 6 plus 5 into 6 plus 7 into or 7 minus 6 into 2 into 2. Okay, that's 2 into 2 into 2. So it will do what it will do. It will check the brackets here and it will come inside. It will do first 6 5 are 30. 6 5 are 30. Bracket again. So what it will do? First I will give 5 plus 9 plus 8 into 9 plus 7 minus 3, and I will do into 4 or into 3. So what it will do? First it will do multiplication. 8 9s are 72, and it will do then addition. Here 8 9 plus 5 14, and here you'll get 4 and 18. So 18 plus 72. 18 plus 72, it's 19. So 19 to 3, 19 into 3, 260. 19 to 3, it's 260 or 270. Yeah, 270. 270. 270. So this is how we can use the parenthesis. We can use the parenthesis for calculation. Parenthesis for the correct calculation. So I hope you understand what is parenthesis and how you can use parenthesis in Excel. So that's it, friends. I hope you understand. And if you have any doubt, please comment in the chat. I can help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I post videos in YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.